Good morning. We shall continue the previous class. In previous class we have discussed about evaporation, evapotranspiration and infiltration. In infiltration we have studied what is infiltration, how we are going to measure the infiltration, and we have also studied about the infiltrometer and Orton's infiltration capacity curve. In today's class we shall discuss with solving few problems regarding infiltration. The first problem is the infiltration capacity of the soil in a small watershed area. Was found to be 6 centimeter per hour. 6 centimeter per hour. Initially the infiltration is 6 centimeter per hour before the rainfall occurring. It was found to be 1.2 centimeter per hour at the end of the storm. It was found to be 1.2 centimeter per hour at the end of the storm. You all know that in infiltration, during the precipitation or at the starting of the precipitation, the infiltration is more. At the end of the precipitation, the infiltration is less. Similarly, at the starting of the rainfall, the infiltration is 6 centimeter per hour, and at the end of the infiltration or at the end of the rainfall, the infiltration is 1.2 centimeter per hour. If the total infiltration, here you need to understand the total infiltration during 8-hour storm. Is 15 centimeter. As said that in 8-hour rainfall, the total infiltration is 15 centimeter. Estimate the value of decay coefficient Kh. Here we need to find out the value of Kh by using Orton's infiltration capacity formula. Here we need to find out the value of Kh. First, write down the given values. What is given? Initially the infiltration is 6 centimeter per hour. It is represented by symbol small f naught is 6 centimeter per hour. And at the end of the storm, the infiltration is 1.2 centimeter per hour. It is represented by symbol Fc, because at the end the infiltration will undergo constant rate. The infiltration will be at constant rate. Here it is 1.2 centimeter per hour. 1.2 centimeter per hour. Here he has mentioned the total infiltration. For 8 hour. The total infiltration for 8 hour is 15 centimeter. It is capital Fp. Capital Fp is 15 centimeter. While solving the problem, what is capital Fp? I am going to say. Next, what we need to find out? Here we need to find out the value of Kh. Kh is nothing but the decay coefficient. What is saying? Orton's infiltration capacity curve. By using Orton's formula says that Fp equals to Fc plus Fo minus Fc e power minus Kh into T. It is the Orton's infiltration capacity formula. Fa equals to Fc plus F naught minus Fc whole power bracket e power minus Kh into T. Here we need to find out the value of kh. Everything we have known, but in question is mentioned capital Fp. Capital Fp is nothing but with respect to time. Here we need to integrate. Here we need to integrate capital Fp equals to small integration of small p into time. Small p into time. If we integrate Fp, we will get capital Fp. If we integrate small fp, we will get the value of capital Fp. In question, yes, mentioned it as 15 centimeter. Now we need to integrate this term. Now we need to integrate right hand side. If we integrate the left hand side, we will get integration of Fp dt gives the capital Fp. Now we need to integrate the right hand side. Before integrating the right hand side, one thing you need to understand. Now it is the time. Now it is the infiltration. At the time of rainfall, the infiltration is more. At the end of the rainfall, the infiltration is less. What will happen? That at initially the infiltration capacity is more. As the rainfall continuously occurring, the infiltration will remain constant. What is given initially? It is F naught. F naught is 6 centimeter per hour. Initially the infiltration rate is high. At the end of 8-hour storm, at the end of 8-hour storm, the infiltration is Fc. Fc is 1.2 centimeter per hour. Okay. Now we need to find out the value of kh. For that, finding out the value of kh, here we need to integrate both the side. If we integrate small fp, we will get it as capital Fp. We will get it as capital Fp. With respect to time, if we integrate, we will get capital Fp. Here we know the value of capital Fp. Now, integrate right hand side values. It is capital Fp equals to integration of Fc dot dt plus integration of F naught minus Fc e power of minus kh e power minus kh t into dt. Okay, here it varies from 0 to t. Okay. Now integration of Fc dt is Fc into time. Fc into time. Here the t is 8 hour. Here the t is 8 hour storm. Plus, what will happen? Here we need to integrate with respect to e power minus kh into t. E power minus kh into t. So remove from the bracket f naught minus fc should be taken outside. F naught minus fc. Now integrate e power minus kh t dt. E power minus kh t dt. Now we have already integrated fct. Now we need to integrate e power minus kh t dt. Now we need to integrate only this term. Here f naught minus fc integration of e power minus kh t dt. Now we need to integrate e power minus kh. E power minus kh. What is the integration of e power minus kh? Here we need to integrate only e power minus kh t dt. Here the integration of e power minus kh t dt. What is the integration of e power minus kh dt? Here it is e power minus kh t by because integration of, now let us consider example, integration of 2x is e power 2x by 2. Similarly, e power minus kh by t is e power minus kh by t by minus kh. Here the limit changes from, 0 to infinity. Here the limit changes from 0 to infinity. Okay. Now substitute the value of infinite and 0 with respect to time t. E power minus kh into infinity minus kh minus e power minus kh into 0. Here the t is 0 minus kh. What happens? E power minus kh into infinity value is 0 and e power minus kh into 0 is 1. Here because e power infinity value is 0 and e power 0 value is 1. E power 0 value is 1. Here all this term will become 0 and this term will become 1 by minus kh. What will happen? Minus and minus will become plus. 0 plus 1 by kh. 0 plus 1 by kh. Value will become integration of e power minus kh into t will be equals to 1 by kh. 1 by kh. Now here we know that here it is Fp. Here capital Fp equals to small fc into t plus f naught minus fc whole bracket of, what is this value? What is this value? This value is 1 by kh. This value is 1 by kh. Integration of e power minus kt value is, kt into dt value is 1 by kh. Here we can write it as 1 by kh. 1 by kh. Here you know the value of Fp. The value of Fp is given in question. The total infiltration is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. And in question he has also mentioned the value of Fc. Fc is nothing but the, at the end of the rainfall, what is the infiltration? At the end of the rainfall, what is the infiltration? At the end and at the starting. At the end, what is the infiltration is 1.2 centimeter. 1.2 centimeter. Okay, 1.2 into, what is time? Time is 8 hour. The time is 8 hour. You again you know the value of what is the infiltration at the beginning. At the beginning is 6 and at the end is 1.2. Now we can find out the value of kh. If we cross multiply, we will get the value of kh. 15 equals to 1.2 into 8 plus 6 minus 1.2 whole power bracket 1 by kh. If we substitute, we will get the value of kh as 0.888. 0.888 is the decay coefficient. First we need to find out initial infiltration, and we need to find out at the end what is the infiltration rate, and we need to understand what is the total amount of rainfall or total time that the rainfall has occurred. And in question he has asked the decay coefficient. By using Orton's infiltration capacity curve, we know the formula small fp into small fp equals to fc plus f naught minus fc whole power e power minus kh into t. Here we need to integrate both the side, both left hand side as well as right hand side. If we integrate the left hand side, we will get capital FP. Here we know the total infiltration value is given, it is as 15 centimeter. Now we need to integrate right hand side. It is integration of right hand side is fc into dt plus integration of time 0 to t naught minus fc whole power e power minus kh into t into dt. Here integration of fc dt is fc into t. Now we need to integrate f naught minus fc whole power bracket e power minus kh into t, because it is a constant term, remove it outside. Now we need to integrate e power minus kht into dt. By integrating e power minus kht into dt, here it is nothing but e power of 2x is e power 2x by 2, like that e power of minus kh is e power minus kh by minus kh. Now applying the limit from 0 to infinity, applying the limit from 0 to infinity. If we apply the limit from 0 to infinity, e power minus kh into infinity by minus kh, e power minus kh into 0 by minus kh. Here e power infinity is 0, power 0 is 1. If we substitute these values, we will get minus minus will get cancelled and it will become plus. Integration of e power minus kht will becomes 1 by kh. By substituting e power minus kt dt into 1 by kh, we will get this final equation. For this final equation, if we substitute the given values, we will get the decay coefficient as 0.888. We shall solve the next problem. We shall continue with the next problem. The second problem is little bit different from the first problem. The infiltration capacity in a basin, in any particular area, some amount of rainfall or some amount of storm that has been occurred. In that, here we need to find out the infiltration capacity. The infiltration capacity in a basin is represented by a Orton's equation. It is represented by a Orton's equation. Here what is saying, he has given one separate equation. He has given one separate equation. By considering this equation, here we need to find out the infiltration capacity or infiltration rate. What is given? Small fp equals to 3 plus e power minus 2t. In previous problem, what we are going to take? Small fp equals to fc plus f naught minus fc bracket e power minus kh into t. It is the standard Orton's infiltration capacity curve formula. But in this formula, he has proposed a different equation or a temporary equation for finding out the infiltration capacity. Fp equals to 3 plus e power minus 2t, where Fp is in centimeter per hour and time will be in hour. Assuming the infiltration takes place at a capacity rate in a storm of 60 minutes. What is saying? Whether the rainfall, whether the storm or the infiltration takes place for only 60 minutes. We can represent 60 minutes as 1 hour, because here in the formula, here the time is measured in hours and the infiltration capacity is measured in centimeter per hour. But what is the storm period? In question he has mentioned in minutes, but here we need to convert the minutes to hour. 60 minutes duration, the rainfall or the storm that has been occurred. Now estimate the depth of infiltration. Estimate the depth of infiltration. He has also mentioned two conditions. The first condition is what is the infiltration depth at first 30 minutes and what is the infiltration at next 30 minutes. You all know that in infiltration, the infiltration rate is high at the beginning of the rainfall, the infiltration rate is slow at the end of the rainfall. As I said, infiltration value is higher at the beginning, lower at the end. What is asking? For first 30 minutes, what is the infiltration depth, and for the second 30 minutes, what is the infiltration depth? By understanding the question, by understanding the infiltration capacity concept, you can say that at first 30 minutes the infiltration will be more compared to second 30 minutes. Initially ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಊಟ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ infiltration kuda. Let us solve the problem. In any question, first write down the given parameters. Fp equals to 3 plus e power minus 2t, and time period is 60 minutes, but you need to consider as 1 hour, because whatever the empirical equation he has mentioned, in this empirical equation the time is in hour. The time is in hour. Next, in question he has mentioned two cases, for first 30 minutes and for second 30 minutes. Now let us solve the problem. For first 30 minutes, here we need to find out the value of capital Fp. Here we need to find out the capital Fp. Capital Fp is the nothing but the depth of infiltration or the total infiltration at first 30 minutes. Capital Fp equals to integration from 0 to t small fp dt. Small fp dt. Here what is the fp equation? 3 plus e power minus 2t. 3 plus e power minus 2t. Integration. What is the time? What is the time? The time is 30 minutes. The time is 30 minutes. The time is first time is 30 minutes. For this 30 minutes we can consider the limit as 0.5 hours anta barkoboda. For 60 minutes we can write it as 1 hour. For 30 minutes we can write it as 0.5 hour. Here the limit is 0 to 0.5 integration of 3 plus e power minus 2t dt. Okay. What is the integration of 3? Integration of 3 is 3 into t limit 0 to 0.5 plus, what is the integration of e power minus 2t? Integration of e power minus 2t is e power minus 2t by minus 2. E power minus 2t by minus 2. E power minus 2t by minus 2 limit 0 to 0.5. Why I have considered the limit 0 to 0.5? At the starting of the rainfall, the time is 0. At the end of first 30 minutes, the time is 0.5. We can write the 30 minutes as 0.5. Here the time is 0. After the 30 minutes, the time will be, we can consider the 30 minutes as 0.5 hours. So the limit is 0 to 0.5. Here the capital Fp equals to 3 into 0.5 minus 3 into 0. You can write it as 3 into 0.5 minus 3 into 0 plus, the limit is 0 to 0.5 e power minus 2 into 0.5 minus 2 minus e power minus 2 into 0 by minus 2. Here 2 into 0.5 will become e power minus 1, e power minus 1 by e power minus 2 will become, the overall this term will become 0. 3 into 0.5 is 1.5. 3 into 0 is 0. Here FP value equals to 3 into 0.5 is 1.5, 1.5 into 0 and e power minus 1 by 2. If you substitute one value, you will get one value, and if you substitute e power minus 2 into 0 by 2, you will get the value of half. Half, and what is the value of e power of minus 0.2 into 0.5 by minus 2? What is it? Here it is. Minus 0.1839. Minus 0.1839. If you substitute this value, you will get the total FP value. What is the total FP value? 1.816 centimeter per hour. 1.816 centimeter per hour is the infiltration capacity at first 30 minutes. Infiltration capacity at first 30 minutes is 1.816 centimeter per hour. Now we need to estimate the infiltration capacity at next 30 minutes. Now we need to estimate the infiltration capacity for second 30 minutes. Second 30 minutes. Similarly, write down the equation. Capital FP equals to small fp into dt. Here the small fp can be written as integration of 3 plus e power minus 2t. Now what is the limits? Here the time is second 30 minutes. Already first 30 minutes over. 0.51. Here it is the first 30 minutes. First 30 minutes. Now the limit is next 30 minutes. Next 30 minutes. Now the limit will changes from 0.5 to 1. The limit will changes from 0.5 to 1. The limit will changes from 0.5 to 1. Okay. Now the integration of 3 is 3t, limit 0.5 to 1 plus e power of minus 2t. E power of minus 2t is e power of minus 2t by minus 2, limit 0.5 to 1. If you substitute these values to the limits, 3 into 1 minus 3 into 0.5 bracket plus e power of minus 2t by minus 2, limit 0.5 to 1 bracket e power minus 2 into 1 by minus 2 minus e power minus 2 into 0.5 by minus 2. If we substitute this value, we will get the infiltration capacity at next 30 minutes or second 30 minutes. It will be around 1.616 centimeter per hour. 1.6 centimeter per hour. For first 30 minutes, here we need to consider the limit 0 to 0.5. For second 30 minutes, here we need to consider the limit from 0.5 to 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಲಿಮಿಟು 0 ಇಂದ 0.5 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ because it is first 30 minutes. For second 30 minutes, the limit is 0.5 to 1 because 1 hour we can write 60 minutes. In question is mentioned 60 minutes. 60 minutes can be written as 1 hour. The 30 minutes can be written as 0.5 hour. The 0 minutes can be written as 0 hour. 0 hour, 0.5 hour. 0.5 hour, 1 hour. At the initial, at the starting time of the rainfall, the infiltration will be more. At the end, the infiltration will be less. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಬಂದು 1.86 ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಬಂದು 1.616 ಇದೆ. As the time increases, infiltration capacity will decrease or it will remain constant. This is the second problem. Okay. In next class, we shall discuss with another important concept is finding out the infiltration by using W index and phi index. Finding out the infiltration capacity from W index and phi index. Thank you.